Federal Capital Territory Youth Taskforce on Covid-19 have commended the FCT Minister of State, Hajia Ramatu Tijjani, for the distribution of palliatives to the people of FCT. While speaking with newsmen in Abuja, Comrade Ango Abdullahi, Chairman FCT Youth Council, said the minister should be commended for a job well done.
We want to categorically say that having noticed, observed, participated, and followed the distribution processes, the FCT administration deserves commendation. They did extremely well, and we are calling the attentions of people that are castigating the entire processes to know that we, as an independent body, we monitor the distribution from the beginning to the end, and we are satisfied. In fact, not only our body, civil society organization was duly represented, the League of Imam and Khans were duly represented, and all other independent organizations were duly represented. As at today, about 120,000 palliatives were distributed to the 62 wards of the Federal Capital Territory. We followed it from the beginning to the end, and the minister was physically present, and her crew were physically present to monitor these distributions. And we participated, and we commended her. We want people to appreciate the Mr. President for extending this gesture, and by extension, the Federal Capital Territory Minister.
Abdullahi further advised the government to enforce a total lockdown in FCT, stressing that the number of cases are increasing daily and FCT is not left out.
We are calling the attention of the federal government and FCT to know that what happened in Ghana, we don't want it to happen in Nigeria again. Just yesterday, with the easing of the lockdown, I wonder what is going to happen in the next 1 week as far as coronavirus is concerned. As at yesterday, people are not observing the social distancing. People are not going out with their face masks. People are not having hand sanitizers. And you can see how people are being jam-packed. In fact, the precautionary method was absolutely abused. As at yesterday, what we saw was 245 cases. This is so dangerous. Nigeria has so far recorded 2,802 cases of coronavirus. You can imagine the facilities now are overstretched. We don't want this thing to exceed. We don't want it to continue. We don't want it to continue happening in FCT and Nigeria as a nation.
For his part, spokesperson FCT Natives, Comrade Yunusa Yusuf, had this to say.
Locked up of all the interstate traffic. But we have evidence, we have seen people who have been coming into Abuja in thousands. Some of them are even loaded in a lorry. Some of them you see them loaded in a tipper coming into Abuja. What we are saying is that, is it that they want to share the pandemic all around because some people are definitely benefiting from it? Nobody should come in. Everybody remain where you are so that we can be able to identify who is already infected and who is not infected.